Hey there, I am Sherry Samuels, the voice coach, and this is your thought for the week. So I don't know about you, but I have a lot of thoughts about what I want to do, who I want to be, and what I want to create in this life. Unfortunately, I have consistently struggled with this crazy notion that everything has to start and or be implemented at the exact right time. Doesn't matter how big or small. For instance, I had fallen off my I'm going to exercise consistently wagon. I thought about the disappointment I felt. I thought about my desire to release these extra pounds. And then I said, I'm going to get back to it on Monday. It didn't matter that the day was Tuesday. In my head, if I was going to reset, I couldn't do it on a Tuesday afternoon. I couldn't do it on a Thursday or Friday. I couldn't do it just at any other time. It had to be Monday. And I know what you were thinking. Yep, I get that. But here's the thing. We spend so much time waiting for the right time and place that we lose out on creating and living the life that we dream about at night. I was taught the art of waiting by my mom. Unfortunately, I watched her wait her life away. Less than 1 month before her 50th birthday, she passed away, waiting for the right time, the right place, the right circumstances to step into her dreams. So today, I say to you, stop waiting. In this present moment, step out of your comfort zone and into your life. A life that is full of hope, joy, and excitement. A life that's full of opportunity and dreams that are quietly waiting for you to just start living. I get it. It feels scary. It can feel overwhelming to step outside of that comfort zone. But guess what? When we step outside of that place, we are stepping into our dreams. We are creating our life. We are living our absolute best life. Now, I know this can be challenging. If you need help taking that first step out of your comfort zone and into that amazing life that you are dreaming of each night, guess what? I got you. Send me a message. Email me, sherry@sherrysamuels.com, and we can talk about setting up a consultation where we'll explore what that looks like for you and how to support you in moving forward with creating the life of your dreams. I am Sherry Samuels, the voice coach, and this was your thought for the week.